Hello everyone, welcome to Simply GIS YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to do interpolation. In GIS, interpolation helps estimate unknown values of unsampled location by using sampled or known data points. It means you have point layers and those point layers have some values, but you want to get the values between two sampled locations. Interpolation creates a smooth surface raster data which gives you values in between the known points. Therefore, interpolation fills the spatial data gaps with scientific estimation, and it helps in revealing spatial patterns and gradients. There are several methods of interpolation, including inverse distance weighting, spline, natural neighbor. One of the common interpolation method is IDW. In this video, I will demonstrate IDW interpolation. For this, I will import the point data I already have. For that reason, I will go to layer, add vector layer, and I will go to the vector folder where my data is there. So weather stations data. So you know that shape files, one shape file contains five or six files. So sometimes we face difficulty in choosing the right file. For that reason, I will search here .shp. Then all the shape files are here. So weather station I am clicking. At the same time, I will also import the boundary layer of these weather stations, the state boundary, which is Jharkhand in India. For that reason, again, I am writing .shp. So, I'm Jharkhand boundary 45 North UTM. Okay. So, let's. So, these are the weather stations for which I have temperature data. So, let me check the attribute table of the weather station. So, open attribute table. So this is the ID, this is the maximum temperature of a day, and this is the minimum temperature of a day of these 26 weather stations in Jharkhand state in India. What we will do right now, we will interpolate this weather station data maximum temperature, because all these station have weather station values. Okay, let me show them, show label. So they are showing the name here. I'm changing the symbol label, so label in maximum temperature. So one way to visualize the maximum temperature is this, where the with the help of the labeling, what I have done, just I have just put the values. So you can see this is 40 degree, this is 33-degree maximum temperature, this is 32-degree maximum temperature. In this way you can understand. But this point and this point, we don't know the temperature of this region. We know the temperature of this place, and at this place this is 31, this is 35. So what we need to know, we want to know the temperature of that this part. That's why we will do interpolation. For that reason, we will go to processing and toolbox, and I will search for interpolation. You can find there is an interpolation tool here. We can extend it, then we can find the IDW interpolation, or you can just write interpolation here. If you are unable to find, then you can see here IDW interpolation. Okay, so I am doing clicking on IDW interpolation, and the input vector layer will be the weather stations, and interpolation attribute, which field you want to do interpolation. So maximum temperature I am doing here. Then what you have to do, you have to select, add the vector layer here in this table. So click on this plus sign. So it will come with the station, tab max attribute and points data. Okay. So then we have to set the distance coefficient. Higher the distance coefficient, the smoother the uh, appearance will come. So the default is 2.0. We will keep it. Okay. Then we have to set the extent for which the IDW will be limited. For that reason, as I have told you, the state boundary for these weather station is Jharkhand. So I have the shape file of that state boundary. So that will be the extent for my processing. So to select that, I will click here, calculate from layer, and we will select the JK boundary UTM 45 north. Okay. Now we have to set the output raster size. So here is the output raster size. I want to create 100-meter pixel resolution. So I will write 100 meter. So the pixel size will be 100 meter into 100 meter. You know, Landsat has 30-meter spatial resolution, and Sentinel has 10-meter resolution. So if you are working with 30-meter resolution, you will create 30-meter pixel size here, but that will take more time in processing. So I am making it 100 meter, then the processor will be faster. If I select 500 meter, the processing will be more faster. Then I have to save the output layer. So for that reason, interpolated layer should be saved to a file. I'm saving it, and interpolation, uh, Jharkhand max temp idw. I'm saving it and save. So I have set where to save the file. Then open output after file running the algorithm. So I'm clicking taking it. Then let's run it. So I have got the created the interpolated IDW Jharkhand maximum temperature interpolated raster layer, where you can see the minimum temperature is 31 degree and maximum temperature is 42 degree. Okay, what I will do, I will you can see that this raster has been processed to the extent of my layer, I mean state boundary shape file. So we have to clip it again. For that reason, I'm going to processing toolbox and searching clip. In this clip, you will find that clip raster by mask layer. Don't clip raster by extent. If you clip the raster by extent, it will appear the similar rectangular pattern. Extent means the rectangular area of the shape file, whatever file features you have. And clip raster by mask layer, it means it will mask the raster with the layer, and the output will be the boundary of the layer. So clip raster by mask layer, I'm double clicking it. Then the input layer will be Jharkhand max temperature IDW. Then mask layer, I will select JK boundary. Okay, so I have selected it. Let all other remain as they are, and save the clipped mask to your destination folder. I'm saving it to file. Then Jharkhand max temp IDW clipped. Okay, CLIPPED clipped. Okay, okay. I'm just try to keep the name short. Max temp IDW clipped. Okay, okay. Save it. Now run it. So when, yeah, it is done. So you can see that max temp IDW clip is uh, clipped with the boundary shape file. Then what I have to do, we will go to properties and change the symbol, single band pseudo color, and you can select whatever color symbol you want to choose. I'm choosing this red and blue. The red will be the higher temperature and blue will be the lower temperature cold, right? But you can see here in the symbol, the lower temperature are showing red and higher temperature are showing blue. So what we need to do, we can do it by invert color ramp. So invert color ramp, it will invert the color symbology, then apply. Okay, so you can see I have created the interpolation layer, IDW interpolation for maximum temperature of the weather stations I have. And this is the output raster layer. So I'm ticking all. You can check the properties of the raster layer created. If you go to information, you'll be able to find that this is a raster GOT format, okay, raster file, and you can see that pixel size is 99.98. This is 100-meter pixel size, and the projection is UTM 45 north. Okay, this is UTM 45 north. So this is the data set. This is the source. Okay, so in this way you can create the interpolation. So I had some known points as I told you in the beginning. And now I have created an interpolated layer where I will get the values in between the two layers. So let's go to this I identify feature icon, and if you click on this you'll be able to find that this is max temp IDW, and the value is 33.286. So you can see this is 31.8 and this is 33.4, and the value of this pixel here, 100-meter pixel is here. So value of this pixel is 33.286, and this should be 33.53, 33.4, 33.52. This is 32, this is 32, near 31 is 32. Here you can see 33.4, 33.8. So there will be 34.08. So in inverse distance, what does it do? It takes all the, it has taken 33 bit and 36. That's why here it is coming 34. So in this way, you can get the values in between the two known points, and this is unknown location. So with the interpolated raster, I got this temperature of this unknown location is 32.93 degree. Thank you for watching this. If you face any problem, you can write to me. I'll be eager to help you out. Simply GIS is offering a 6-month basic remote sensing and GIS training course. You can visit our website simplygis.in and check details course structure. This is a 6 months course. The classes will be held on Saturday and Sunday with flexible timing, and the classes will be online. You can register yourself and check out the detailed module of the course. Thank you.